watching Ask Profit here at NDTV Profit. Viewers who are just tuning in, a gentle reminder, you can either call us or WhatsApp us on the numbers that will be flashing on your screen in some time. And we are also joined by Ajit Mishra, Senior VP at Research Religare Broking, joining us now. Ajit, hi, very good morning to you. I'll take up the first query with you. This question is from Syed Shid. He's asking about TCF and bought at the levels of 3170, 65 shares is what he's holding, and wants to know the advice for the next 1 year. Okay, his name is Syed Rashid, my bad, who is writing us from Bihar. Your view on the charts, Ajit?
Yeah, good morning, Mishra. So, Mishra, finally we are seeing a bit of rebound, or I would rather say a pinch of recovery. It's too early to say whether we have bottomed out at this level or not, but since we have bought it at decent levels, 3170, so we are very close to that mark, and the way we are seeing that most of these aggregates are holding gains at least, if not building. So we expect in the next leg probably close to around 3240, 3480, something the stock might test. He should definitely stay put because consolidation, with a positive bias is more likely. That price-wise correction seems over. So probably 3400 should be the next positional target, and then probably 3600 plus something also that he can eye out for. So he should stay put with 3000 as a closing stop loss.
Got that view, Ajit, and a very good morning to you as well. The next question that we're getting is from Ishwar. He's asking if...
With regards to BKG Foods is concerned, the next question is about Nava Limited. Kishan from Mangalore is writing in, holding 552 odd shares of Nava Limited at an average price of 294. So that's he's bought it at the right levels and sitting on profits of over 2 lakh rupees, 2.3 lakh to be specific, and wants to know if he can additionally go ahead and invest another 2 lakhs in the counter. Ajit, are the charts attractive enough?
So Nava has been trading at the record highs, and the good part is that he is still willing to invest. So another important aspect that last time in the month of September it made a record high, and of late we have seen a breakout from the same as well. So yes, he can consider adding to his profitable position, and for the entire position now 650 on the closing, this should be the stop loss. Based on the consolidation range, I won't be surprised that if the stock surpasses 1100 levels in next 3 to 6 months.
Got the view, Ajit. The next question is coming in from on Crystal as well as scams at the current. Got that view, Saurabh. The next question which is coming in is on Tata Motors. It's a short-term view that the viewer is asking on. Purchase 460 shares at 701, and sitting at a decent profit as well. Ajit, let me come to you. Do you think that this has some more rally, or because the stock's actually recovered from the lows of 630 or around those levels? Any view that you have on the stock?
Puneet, yes, we have seen decent recovery in Tata Motors also, but we all know that the kind of underperformance the stock has been experiencing for almost 1.5 years now. So if the view is short term, yes, you can continue to hold it till 730 levels. That's the area basically where we have the next major hurdle, and at the same time do maintain a stop at 700. And next time when you plan any trade in the auto basket, prefer the top performers like M&M, TVS, Eicher, just to name a few.
Got that, Ajit. But viewers, we had a very interesting conversation with the management of Tata Technologies, and we spoke to Warren.
So that's with regards to where Tata Tech stands. We've got our next question from Suman, who's writing us from Kolkata, asking about Hindalco, whether this is the right point to make an entry into this counter. Ajit, do you think charts are attractive enough to make an entry right now?
So Mishra, metal as a pack is doing exceptionally well, and Hindalco has also among the top performing names. In fact, the stock has reclaimed record highs. Almost nearly year-long consolidation has also ended. So everything looks positive, but yes, since the stock has already moved up from 690 to 760 in a very short period of time, there could be a bit of a consolidation. So I would recommend him to accumulate gradually instead of going all in. So let's say in the range of 740 to 760, one can accumulate with closing stop at 720. And in the next target zone, it could be close to around 890 to 910.
So, Ajit, Saurav, let me come to you because we have another query on Imami, and the viewer is asking we should enter the stock.
Next question is from Chandrasekhar, who's writing us from Bangalore and asking about Reliance Power. He's got 400 odd shares, bought at 65.5 a piece. Wants to know from a 3 to 4 months perspective, what are the charts indicating? Ajit, your view?
So our power, Mahima, again we are seeing the stock after volatile swings trading below the major averages. So not a very good sign, means especially in the market like this where we are gradually approaching higher. So I would recommend to avoid any fresh buying. Existing position also, in case you can take losses and exit, because I doubt that we can see any meaningful move until the stock decisively crosses 52 levels again. On the downside, a break below 42 may result in further decline.
Ajit, let me come to you on another query, because a viewer, Desikan Srinivasan, asking on a short-term view on EID parry for the next 3 months. Do you see any kind of positive momentum on this one?
So EID parry, like among the sugar stock, is comparatively better. We have seen the stock, outperforming the pack, and otherwise also we see a very consistent move. Of late, we have seen a marginal decline from the record high. Stock is currently hovering around 100 EMA. So possibly we might see some consolidation around the current levels before the next leg of the move. So yes, you can consider going long with stop at 1020, and the moment we cross, let's say 1110, 1120, we can see this fresh momentum in the stock, which could trigger up move towards 1200 plus levels. So with stop at 1020, you can accumulate at current levels.
Got the view, Ajit. The next query is coming in on Crompton Greaves.
Okay. All right. We've got a next question from Satyan, who's writing us and asking about NITCO. Okay, so he's bought at the levels of 126 and wants to know if there's a chance it will touch 150 in next 3 to 6 months. And asking, of course, if he can continue to hold for the next 6 months to see that level. Ajit, do you think that's possible on the chart?
Yes, Mahima, it seems possible, because almost like 3 months of corrective phase have finally ended. Today we are seeing a decisive move with a very tight range consolidation breakout. The stock has reclaimed the major averages also. Volumes are decent. So gradually it can inch towards the previous swing high, which is around 250 to 60 area. So with stop at 210, one can continue to stay put.
Next query is coming actually on a stock that's buzzing in trade today, that's Shakti Pumps. Now, the company did get an order of...
Okay, Tega Industries is the next one. Ramesh Prabhu is holding 65 odd shares, bought at 527 a piece. What will be the range of accumulation? Ajit, your view?
1900 to 2000.
The next question is coming in,
Okay, Park Hotels is the next one, and this is from a viewer who is writing us from Chennai. Wants to know if you can continue to buy at this level. Your view on the charts, Ajit?
Underperformers, switch to the quality names.
Okay, no worries.
So recent listing definitely. The other ones are coming in from Vineet from Baroda, and he's asking a query specifically on Blue Star. It's about 1,000 shares at 1940. Ajit, they want a short-term view because of the GST rate cut. Any positive impact? Your view?
Looks range bound, maintains stop loss at 1800 or around 2100 book profits.
Okay, all right. So with that, Saurabh and Ajit, thank you so much for taking out the time and taking us through those queries, and of course speaking with NDTV Profit. Viewers, an important thing to keep in mind today for sure, because your ITR deadline is today itself, 35%, and you have to make sure that you file it today itself. But with that, we're completely out of time on this edition of Ask Profit, but do stay tuned to KYC on the other side.